this is basically a gathering of us taking a petition to whoever is going to receive it. The legality of protest is different. So please understand that. This method that we apply is exactly the same as one person getting a letter and giving it to there's no legal requirement in that. What I'd like to emphasize here as regards this issue is that money should not be a problem. The government keeps saying, no money, no money. They have been ready for the last 5 years or 7 years this time. Every time there is an election, they say, oh, there's no money. That's bullshit. They should be ready and prepared for the 5 years that is coming. So money is not an issue in this case. What needs to be addressed is the legality of what is happening. They have violated the Koita Act. They have violated the national constitution, and they have violated common sense. And I'd like to know who exactly are behind this. We can make our own assumptions. But who exactly is behind this? They need to be changed. They have no respect for law in this country. They have no respect for law in the Koita Assembly. And they have no respect for all of us. They have no respect for our rights. Thank you. Thank you, Pemba.
What we hear now is this petition for my election to be moved to 2027. Absolutely unacceptable. And if the government endorses this move from an April election further, because one man chooses for himself to remain in our representing our voice, then that's considered a dictatorship. Because he is not supporting democracy as well. We stand here united as a Motu people against the continued delay. And we want to thank my current member, who is member for Motu Northwest, member for us as a Motu voice. We want to say thank you for standing on our behalf. To ensure that we gather here like this to petition the government of the day to please let common sense prevail and uphold the Motu Act, the Constitution, the organic law, because my people have been marginalized far too long. And we can't take this anymore. Right? Enough is enough.
There's no law that should be a reason for the
And also, we understand that, there's a request for you to move from April by another few months because there's a hearing model. The hearing model is not constitutional. So what we want to say is that the people who don't agree to any more deferral, could you please uphold the dates that were advised and let the Motu vote. Let us exercise our democratic right, our human right, for our leadership to take us forward into 2024. Thank you.